The Lighting Guide Kit is your ticket to appropriately lit environments for work, school, and other activities. This kit includes APH's Better Vision lamp and the large print book entitled What Teachers of Students with Visual Impairments Need to Know About Lighting. The booklet gives teachers, administrators, parents, practitioners, and consumers information needed for making decisions about lighting to help individuals be as productive and comfortable as possible. It's a short, easy-to-read book that presents important findings based on recent research about types of light and their physical and sometimes potentially damaging properties. Vivid photographs show examples and help convey meaning. The Better Vision lamp was specially developed by an inventor and APH staff in order to provide the best light possible for students and others with visual impairments. This energy-saving lamp emits light that doesn't cause photo stress in most people with retinal, corneal, or lens disease or injury. It's also great for those with CVI. The lamp uses a special fluorescent tube which gives off no blue or ultraviolet light, which can cause retinal damage. Live, work, and see better by getting the Lighting Guide Kit at shop.aph.org. And that's your quick tip.